So observe very carefully. So measurement of temperature. So this is the most important one and as well as a very interesting concept because in our daily life we used to measure different places, different varieties of temperatures and different scales also we used to see that. So if you go to hospital, basically some hospitals you can see temperature they will mention in most probably degree Fahrenheit they'll mention, and some hospitals even some clinics and all if you go they'll measure in temperature degree Celsius. Okay, so like that you can see that measurement of temperature. For example, what do you mean by that? Let us understand first, all of you. So forget about this measurement. I want to know what is the meaning of temperature. So can anybody guess or tell me the definition, what you know about the temperature? For example, I will say, now if you look into our phone or if you look into our desktop, you can see my desktop, it is showing that 29 degrees Celsius, mostly clear it is saying. So 29 degrees Celsius, mostly it is clear in the sense of no rain or no clouds. Is it right or wrong, everybody? That is the meaning of that. Means we are going to get what? Mostly clear means we are going to get what, guys? We are going to get the sunlight. Clear? Respond. So now it is showing the temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Now presently if you go to some countries where actually presently winter season is running, there the temperature is, for example, I'll say even of course minus 40 also it will goes. I'll say minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, completely snowfall. We can say that snowing. So now you tell me which is called as temperature. Minus 29 degrees Celsius is temperature or minus 10 degrees Celsius is temperature. What we used to call everybody? Which is temperature? Everybody?
Both also temperature.
Both also temperature, sir.
But 29 degrees Celsius. Now, we are all in Tamil Nadu. We are all in almost like coastal Tamil Nadu. So now you tell me, now, here it is. We are feeling hot or we are feeling cold? I want to know. Now I am feeling very, very hot.
Warm, sir.
Sitting in my home, I'm feeling very, very hot because I don't have here AC or anything, whatever it is. So teaching time also I'm feeling very, very hot. It is. So now this is only we used to say hotness or coldness. We used to call it as what? This is called as, I love you, hotness. Now, the countries, the people who are living in these countries now, presently, if you go to Australia and all, now there is no rainy season. Sorry, there is no summer season for them. Our country is only summer season. So many countries, or else if you go to the polar regions, so almost there, every time temperatures are minus only. So for them, what is that called? Hotness or coldness? Everybody.
Coldness.
We used to call it as coldness. So both we used to call it as what? Both we used to call it as what?
Temperature.
Warmness.
Understand?
Warm.
So that is only called as temperature. Understand everyone? That is the meaning of temperature. So people think only hotness is the temperature, but coldness also what we used to call? Everybody? Temperature only. That is what? So the degree of hotness or coldness, degree of hotness or coldness is called, what is to call? Everybody? We used to call it as temperature. Prema, illame. Understand, Shivani? Alpine, that is what. Now, you all knows if you go to the hospital, you are having a fever. Now, your body temperature is measured with a device. Can you tell me, Mr. Sanjay, what is the device? The device by which we people will measure the temperature.
Thermometer.
Yes, all of you?
Thermometer.
Yeah, thermometer. Clear, everybody? So that is what thermometer. And 7th class, you might be studied types of thermometer. Do you all remember, all of you?
Yes, sir. Digital thermometer, clinical thermometer, laboratory.
Clinical thermometer, or now even mercury thermometer. Nowadays, even we are having a more advanced thermometers also. No mercury and all. Because mercury is suppose unfortunately broken, it is poisonous highly. That is why we are having nowadays what thermometer? Clinically. Clinical thermometers, digital thermometer.
Digital thermometer.
The
Digital
device by
thermometer.
which the temperature can be measured is called, what is the device name? Everybody, which is called as
Thermometer.
Thermometer.
thermometer. That is what you have to understand. Is it okay, guys? Everybody clear? So now let us see, as we know that different places we used to measure the temperature different manner. So now that is what we are going to see, different scales of temperature. Okay, so all of you keep a day, different scales of temperature, very important. So for class 9th we need actually 3 different scale. So let us discuss that. So all of you keep heading different scales of temperature. So let's start now. So basically, the 3 scales are applied for the measurement of temperature for class 9th level, including the foundation. According to foundation level also. So for us, even 3 scales is sufficient. So generally, we'll make the 3 scales are applied for the measurement of temperature. First one is called as, what is that, guys? Degree Celsius.
Celsius scale.
Second scale is called as Kelvin scale. Okay, Kelvin scale, or we represent with a capital K, or we can say absolute scale. What is to call everybody? Absolute scale.
Absolute
Okay,
scale.
everyone. So third one is called as Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so that is what this 3 thing which will represent with a degree Fahrenheit. F. Is it okay, guys? Everybody understood? So have you noticed it? For Celsius scale, I am putting degree and C. Capital C, guys. Keep it in mind what C it is. Capital C. Fahrenheit scale, I am putting degree and F. This 0, the dot is indicating what? Actually, it is a symbol. What is the symbol it is indicating? It is actually degree. Okay, so degree it is. So, but Kelvin scale, have you noticed it? Kelvin scale what? Nothing, only capital K. And you remember the best scale which we used to measure the temperature. Okay. What I have written wrongly, Amma? Celsius scale. Am I written wrong? Celsius. Oh, Celsius.
No, sir, correct, sir.
Spelling wrong. Very good, very good. So that's one girl found spelling wrong. So okay. Celsius. Is it okay, Amma, now? Celsius scale. Now you can remember the best scale for measurement of temperature is Kelvin. Why means you'll understand. You'll find it. Okay. So write it. The very important point it is. The best scale, all of you write. Yes, Mr. Lingesh. Yes, Sanjay, you are correct. The best scale for the measurement of temperature is Kelvin. The best scale.
Sir, because it shows the absolute value of.
Not only that, Mari, I'll say another thing also, I'll say. Okay. So you just write it. Okay. All of you. Yes, please. The best scale for the measurement of temperature is Kelvin. Kelvin. Is what, guys? Kelvin. Because there is no negative sign in it. 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 Okay, guys, everybody. And symbol, the symbol is not there, and the symbol is not used. And the symbol is not used. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So why it is means you will understand basically. So which I already taught you. So 0 degree Celsius is equals to, last class we studied. What is the 0 degree Celsius is equals to? All of you. 0 degree Celsius is equals to how many kelvins? All of you.
273 Kelvin.
273 Kelvin.
Yeah. 0 degree Celsius is equals to 273. If you want more exactly, 273.15 kelvins. Clear, Mari? Understanding? So,
Yes, sir.
but if you have taken the Kelvin scale, so I will say, for example, so 1 Kelvin is equals to how many, if you take, suppose 1 Kelvin is equals to how many degrees Celsius? Everybody, 1 Kelvin is equals to, all of you, minus 270.
-370.
Is right or wrong?
270.
Yeah, 1 Kelvin is equals to how much? Minus
273.
0.15 degrees Celsius. Is it right or wrong? Clear? Opposite. Yes, please, all of you. Reverse. So Kelvin scale, it will always starts from positive only. There is no negative sign will come in the Kelvin scale. But degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, we will get it in negative also. So that is the reason no negative sign is used in the Kelvin scale, so that it is always better to use it for measurement and all. And always remember, SI unit of, as Lingesh, yes, Sanjay said, SI unit of temperature. What is the SI unit of temperature? All of you, Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Okay, so Kelvin also we can say, we can also call it as what? Absolute scale, Kelvin scale, or we can call it as absolute scale. Write it. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, so that is what. So Kelvin scale also we can call it as, what is another name of Kelvin scale? Everybody, all of you?
Absolute scale.
Yeah, absolute scale. So also called thermodynamic scale. Thermodynamic, very, very important. Thermodynamic scale. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? All of you? Yeah. So who joined Gokul Ras? Good morning, Gokul Ras. Always late. So now, generally you can see, if you go to the chemistry lab, okay, or a chemical thermometer, you can notice it. So it will be basically calibrated the temperature. Calibration, we cannot say measurement, calibration. So it will calibrate the temperature in Celsius scale. And if you go to the clinical thermometer, it will calibrate the temperature in what, guys? If you go to the lab, chemical lab, it will calculate always calibration in Celsius. Calibrated TMP, temperature in Celsius. So if you go to clinical, please respond. If you go to a hospital, they will measure in what? Most probably 90% of hospitals. Yes, please.
Fahrenheit scale.
Huh? Clinical.
Celsius, sir.
Yeah, no, Mari. You check in your hospital.
Fahrenheit scale.
It won't be Celsius. Clinical thermometer, always calibrated. You ask in your mother also you can ask. So what is that, guys? Nivedan?
Fahrenheit scale.
Yeah, degree Fahrenheit. That is what Fahrenheit scale. So that is the basically we will use it. Kelvin scale is the SI unit, but mostly in India we won't use this. That is mostly foreign countries and all, they'll prefer only in temperature Kelvin. But we people will prefer in degree Celsius.
Sir, but in chemical labs, they will use Kelvin,
Yeah.
no, sir.
Chemical labs also most probably in our Indian we will use Celsius only, Mari. That is what
Yes.
Cbse unit. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Cbse unit it is. So that is why. So you can notice it. These thermometers basically nowadays clinical thermometer we are having digital. But if you go to still some hospitals you can see. Are you seeing the mercury thermometers? Everybody, all of you? Yes, please.
No, sir.
Mercury, yeah, you can notice it now also. If you go to the lab, we most probably were having what thermometer? Mercury thermometer only. Now also some you can go to RMP clinics and all, you can find the mercury thermometer. But nowadays, most probably, as it is very dangerous, mercury, if suppose unfortunately broken, it is very dangerous. So that is the reason we are preferring nowadays what thermometers? Digital thermometers. Clear? All of you? So in glass thermometer, mercury is used. Mercury is used because two reasons. Because reason number one, it does not stick to the glass. Stick to the glass. Second reason. First reason. Source expansion for minute change in temperature. Is it okay, everybody? Sanjay? Minute
Yes.
change in temperature also, it will source expansion. That is the reason. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. That is what you have to remember. Understood? So now,
Sir, what is it in glass thermometer? Mercury is?
mercury does not stick to the glass. That is the reason we will use it. And main reason it will source expansion. Expansion means increasing. Have you noticed it? As soon as mercury thermometer
Yes.
kept in our hand also, mercury will start rising. Have you noticed it or not? Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. You can check it in our lab. Maybe medical lab, it will be there. You can see as soon as if you hold that bulb down, one bulb madri irukka, that you can see this is the thermometer. So down you'll be having something like a ball like structure like this. As soon as if you hold this, you can see mercury is
Bulb, sir. Bulb.
bulb, we can say mercury bulb. So mercury is keep on rising. Have you checked it, everybody? Anybody observed Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember. Okay, so that is what mercury thermometer we used to say that. So this is what about it. Okay, now let us see how to convert it. Everything we can notice it. So if you take the degree Kelvin, not Kelvin scale. So 1 Kelvin is equals to, all of you remember, degree Celsius plus 273. This is the relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Okay, from that degree Celsius is equals to, what is that, Sanjay? Degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus, everybody, Kelvin minus.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
0 degree Celsius is equal to how much, sir? Minus 273 Kelvin.
Minus
sir.
273, 273, Mari. 273.
How,
Check it.
sir?
In place of
Sir,
0,
then
substitute. Listen. Suppose I have given temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, wow. Then
Yes, sir.
Kelvin scale is equals to degree Celsius plus 273. So degree Celsius is how much? 0. So 0 plus 273, how much? How much, Ra?
273.
Purima. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you want to take 273.15 also. If you don't want, you can take 273. So degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus 273. Kelvin is equals to, what is that? Degree Celsius plus 273. Purima, ellame, understood ma? All of you.
Sir, then 1 Kelvin is equal to minus
1 Kelvin equals to plus
273.
273, Mari. Plus
1 Kelvin.
273. Understand? Sorry, 1 Kelvin equals to minus 273 Kelvin, degree Celsius. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Understood, everybody? Next. Same way, degree Fahrenheit and actually degree Celsius. So remember, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin, there is no direct relation. No direct relation. So if you want to find degree Fahrenheit to degree Kelvin, so first we have to convert what? Degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, then degree Celsius to, everybody, Kelvin. Clear? Same way, Kelvin to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Reverse also. Please note that there is no direct relation from degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Okay. Next, degree Fahrenheit is equals to conversion 9/5 into degree Celsius plus 32. So this is the relation for degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Clear, everybody? Yes, please. All of you. Next, same way.
Sir, this is to Fahrenheit to
Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, Mari. Sorry, Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. This is for Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, wa? Okay. And now I will write here degree Celsius to Kelvin. This is, now this is Kelvin to degree Celsius. Okay. Next, same way, this is degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we want it. So how to make it? First, plus 32 will come this side. What will become, guys? Everybody, plus 32 will become this side. What will become? Respond.
32.
Minus 32. Okay. Next, now here degree Celsius into 9/5 will come this side. What will become? We all know division 9/5. I'll make reciprocal. What will become reciprocal means? 5/9. Right or no? So we'll get like 9/5. What is that, Nivedan? 9/5 means division. Can I write as a multiplication? 5/9. Is it right or wrong? Yes, that is what. So this is what? Degree Celsius. So this is the relations between all four relations. Write it. Very, very important. Kelvin to degree Celsius, that is what it is. Like, sorry, degree Celsius to Kelvin plus 273. Kelvin to degree Celsius minus 273. Next, Celsius to Fahrenheit, 9/5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Next, Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. This is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody, clear? Understood? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, one more scale if you want, you can make it. Rankine scale, actually. So Rankine scale is actually American, we can say, basically it is a British system of unit. That is what Rankine scale we used to call as. This is the fourth system of unit. Basically, it is we can measure like American BTU. If you go British system of unit, they will measure temperature in this. That is the fourth system of temperature. Just have an idea which we used to call as Rankine. That is what degree R. Rankine is the absolute temperature scale related to the Fahrenheit scale. Directly it will be related to the what, guys? Related to degree Fahrenheit. Understand, Mari? Everybody? Sanjay?
Yes.
Everybody? See, degree Celsius and Kelvin we know. Kelvin and degree Celsius we know. And degree Celsius and Fahrenheit we know. But Fahrenheit and Kelvin no relation. Same way, for Rankine and degree Celsius also, we don't have any relation, direct relation. We have to use it for conversion. Now, it will be directly we can convert into Fahrenheit. So if you want to find it, Rankine scale, 1 Rankine is equals to, remember, degree Fahrenheit plus 459.67. Is it okay, Mari? Understood? All of you? Yes, please. Next, 1 degree Fahrenheit is equals to Rankine minus 459.67. So this is converting from Fahrenheit to degree.
Sir, we cannot convert it into Celsius.
No, we cannot convert. I'll
Celsius,
teach
sir.
you. I'll teach you. Observe. Wait. Degree Fahrenheit to this is what? Rankine. Clear, Amari? Now reverse it is. Rankine to degree Fahrenheit. All of you understood, Amma? Any doubt? Please let me know. Clear, Ara? All of you?
Yes.
Mari? Sanjay? Lingesh? Any doubt? You can ask me. Okay. So this is what you have to remember it. Now, if you observe very carefully, all of you, now, the relation between them, as I told, Mr. Mari is asking same thing. See, Mari, if you are having Kelvin scale, what is the temperature? You are having Kelvin scale. Understanding? Kelvin scale you can converting into what? Degree Celsius. Next, degree Celsius I can convert into degree Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Degree Fahrenheit I can convert into Rankine scale. Sariya?
Yes, sir.
Next, same way, reverse relation. If I am having a Rankine one, then I can convert into what? Degree Fahrenheit. If I am having a Fahrenheit, I can convert into degree Celsius. If I am having degree Celsius, I can find it into Kelvin. Is it okay? Wa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you? Understood? What is 400? That is the value actually. Like how you are getting here, plus 32, which is same way like 459, is the starting point of Fahrenheit scale. Understand everything? Everybody? Please respond, guys. All of you? So that is what you have to remember it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Okay, guys? Understood? Now let us make what is that relations. Now, if you notice in our textbook also, you might be having that degree Celsius, 3 scales will be having. So normal temperatures and all. But of course, I'll try to draw and I'll make it. So now if I make it, for example, scales of measurement of temperature, if you have taken, so how they are present, let us see. Scales of measurement of temperatures. So basically, I told you 3 scales only we want it. So let us discuss now. And most important point I'll say you. At minus 40 degrees, all of you remember? At minus 40 degrees Celsius. Be very careful. We're having a special thing. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, the reading of both the Celsius scale, this will be surprising. Even you can calculate it. I will give you a chance. Okay. Celsius scale, Celsius and Fahrenheit scale are same. Fahrenheit scale are equal. Okay, Mari? What I'm saying?
Yes.
At what temperature?
40 minus 40 degrees.
Minus 40 degrees Celsius. Both Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale are equal. So how it will be? We'll prove it also. I'll say that very, very important. Remember that. So at minus 40, at what temperature Celsius scale is equals to Fahrenheit scale? What temperature? Everybody. All of you?
Minus 40 degrees.
Minus 40 degrees Celsius. Understand, Shivani? Clear? So why it is?
Yes, sir.
I will teach you also, and how it will be equal also you can see. minus 40 degrees Celsius. So we'll discuss that. Okay. So minus 40 degrees Celsius is equals to how much it is. Okay. See, negative Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we'll make it a proof also. Don't worry it. Now, if you notice it, all of you. So let us take scales of measurement of temperature now. First scale, let me take all of you. This is the Kelvin scale. So let me take the Kelvin scale. Can you tell me, according to Kelvin scale, what is the boiling point of water and melting point of water? Yes, please. I'm having a mercury tube, so measurement will be there. So I want it. I'm not drawing properly, but you have to draw properly.
Sir, boiling point is 373, 72,
So
sir.
remember, Kelvin scale starts from not zero. It will starts from basically, that is what the
Two,
freezing
sir.
point of water. So that is what we can say
273.
273 Kelvin. So that is only we used to called as what? FT,
Melting
freezing point of, what is that? All of you, water. If you want, you can write full form. Freezing point of water.
Sir, this is related to that, but
Yeah.
minus 40
Yes,
degrees
Mari.
Celsius.
Actually, we people will design the thermometer based upon the melting and boiling point of water only. Clear? Next. Okay. So boiling point of water. So boiling point of water, what guys? How much it is? All of you. Plus 273, plus 100 if you'll add. How much it will come? 373
373
Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Clear? That is what. Same way. Next. Degree Fahrenheit. I'll take it. So if I take a degree Fahrenheit, all of you observe. Okay, so degree Fahrenheit. So now can you tell me what is the melting point of water according to degree Fahrenheit? I will say you later we'll calculate it. According to degree Fahrenheit, freezing point are always remember, we'll study later. Freezing point is equals to melting point. Okay, Sanjay, Mr. Lingesh, clear? So for example, if you take at 0 degrees Celsius, solid ice will converting into water, and same 0 degrees Celsius, water will converting into what? Everybody, ice. Clear? Respond, Ra. That is why it is say melting point of any substance is equals to what? Everybody, boiling point. Sorry, melting point is equals to freezing point. Okay, guys, all of you. That is what. So degree
Yes, sir.
Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and the boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, va? All of you. Next, Celsius scale. If I take the Celsius scale, you might be all knows. What is the freezing point of water or melting point of water? Everybody? What is the freezing point of water? Endara melting point and freezing point theriyada? This is very, very bad. What is the freezing point of water,
0
ma?
degree.
0
0
degree.
degrees
degree.
Celsius.
And what is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees
100
Celsius.
100
100
degrees
degrees
Celsius.
Celsius.
Clear? So means in the sense of, can I say from this, 273 Kelvin is equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 0 degree Celsius. Is it right or wrong? All of you? Yes, please.
sir.
Always same way. 373 Kelvin is equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to how many degrees Celsius?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Purima, understood, Ara? All of you? Yes.
sir.
Understand, Mari? Lingesh?
Sir, boiling points are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boiling point, not scales, Mari. Scales, I'm saying. I'm not talking about boiling point. Keep it in mind, temperatures always designed based upon the thermometers designed based upon the melting point and boiling point of water. Do you all understand? Clear? So that is why Kelvin scale always starts from where? Kelvin scale starts from 273. Next,
273.
Fahrenheit scale will start from where? Fahrenheit scale starts from
32
32.
Fahrenheit.
And degree Celsius scale starts from where? Celsius
0
scale
degrees
starts
Celsius.
from. Yes, please. All of you.
0 degree.
0
0
degrees.
degrees Celsius. Understand? That is what you have to remember. Any doubt, guys? Respond. Now, I told you one statement, one important statement. Can you tell me what is the important statement? At minus 42 degrees Celsius, the reading of both Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale are what? Everybody? Equal. Shall we prove it now? Everybody? So we all know the relation. Can you tell me what is the degree Fahrenheit relation? Degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit? Degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Is it right or
Plus
wrong?
32.
Sanjay, that is what. Now, what is the degree Celsius temperature? Celsius temperature is equals to how much? Given minus 40 degrees Celsius. Is it right or wrong? All of you. That is
Yes,
what.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
substitute how much degree Fahrenheit find. 0 degree, we have to keep it very, very small. You should not keep this much big also. So it is up very small. You have to keep it, which is equals to, check it, I'll write 9 by 5 into degree Fahrenheit is minus 40. Minus 40 value alone you put it. Not needed even degree also. Minus 40 plus 32. Okay. So plus 32. Find the value now. How much it is? Let me see. 9 fours are how much? 9 fours are 36. So minus 30, minus 360 divided by 5. Am I correct, everybody? Am I correct? Nobody will answer. What I can say?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 360 divided by 5. How much, Ra? Fastly. Anybody can tell? 72. Minus 72 plus 32, which is equals to how much, Ra?
Minus 40, sir.
Minus
Minus 40.
What are you talking, Rare? 360 divided by 5 is 72. Minus 72 plus
Minus
30.
40, sir.
How much, Ra,
Minus
answer?
40.
Minus 40. So my degree Fahrenheit. So minus 40 degree Fahrenheit equals to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Is it equal or not? Everybody understood? Yes or no?
Sir.
We got it, Amari. That is the reason at minus 40 degrees Celsius, both Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, both will source the what? Same reading or different reading?
Same reading.
Okay. Now, so I hope you all understood or not, Mr. Sanjay. Clear? Understood? That is what. Now, one more interesting thing I'll say. For example, observe very carefully. Kelvin scale starting from where, guys? Kelvin scale starting from where? 273.
273.
I will say 1 Kelvin is increased. 1 Kelvin is increased. Means in the sense of what is the value?
274.
274. 274 Kelvin. What is the change?
Then 1
Difference?
Kelvin is equal.
Yes, yes. What is the difference? Difference how much? Difference how much? 1
One.
degree. 1 Kelvin.
One.
Right? Same way. I'll say temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and it is increases 1 degree. Can you tell me how much it is? 1 degree.
Then
Is
1
it right or
degree
not?
Celsius is
Yes.
equal to
Yes, yes, Mari. Yeah. Now, can you tell me what is the
274
difference? What is the
Kelvin.
difference, everybody? What is the difference? 1 degree Celsius. Clear? Or else, let me take now. 273 become 10 degrees increases. Sorry, 10 Kelvins increases. So, what is the temperature? 283 Kelvin. Clear?
283 Kelvin.
What is the difference? What is the difference, Ra? All of you. What is the
10
difference,
Kelvin.
everybody? 10 Kelvins. Same way, I'm having 10 degrees Celsius. Now, 10 degrees Celsius become 20 degrees Celsius. Can you tell me what is the difference? What is the
10
difference?
degrees Celsius.
All of you. 10 degrees Celsius. Yes or no, Shivani? Understanding?
Yes,
So
sir.
now, what is the meaning of this? From this one, be very smart. So now, can I say change in temperature in degree Celsius, which is equals to change in temperature in degree Kelvin? Right or wrong, everybody? Yes, please. Am I correct or not? Change in
Yes,
temperature
sir.
in degree Celsius is equals to change in temperature in degree Kelvin. Am I right or wrong? Everybody, Kelvin scale. Yes or no? All of you. Because equal both. So change in temperature.
Sir,
In
that
degree
means
Celsius.
20 degrees Celsius is
Ah.
equal to 283 Kelvin.
Yes, Mari. The change, the difference is always same. Yes or no? If I suppose, so
Yes, sir.
what is the reason? If I increase the temperature in degree Celsius or if I increase the temperature in Kelvin, both difference is what? Same only. Is it right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. Do you understand? Everybody clear, Amma? All of you. So change in temperature in degree Celsius is equals to change in temperature in what? Change in temperature in Kelvin. Is it okay, guys? Purimara? Nivedan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that is very important. Okay. So now meeting is going to end. Join back. We'll solve 2 examples. Then I'll stop this today's class. Okay. So first question, start solving. Of course, we have 1 minute time. So first question, convert 350 Kelvin into degree Celsius scale. Everybody, fastly tell me who will say first. Let me see. Celsius scale. Very simple, guys. What is that? Temperature in Kelvin scale is equals to what, Ra? Kelvin scale is equals to.
So Celsius is equal to
Plus
Kelvin
273.
minus plus
273. We
273.
want degree Celsius. Degree Celsius equals to Kelvin minus Kelvin minus, everybody, 273. Understanding? See, what is that? Given Kelvin, asking Celsius. So Kelvin to Celsius. What is the relation
77
values?
degrees Celsius.
Degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus 273. Yes or no? Sanjay? That's all it is.
77 degrees Celsius.
Yes, please respond, guys. So degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin is 350 minus 273. What is the answer? Degree Celsius. How much, Amma?
70.